term. That means sum. Then properties, 0 properties. Then order properties. Very good. Then what we learned? Without regrouping as well as with regrouping. Regrouping. What does it mean, that regrouping? What does it mean? Rearrange. So rearrange means how many groups are in our addition, children? Because in class 3, we come to know that one. How many groups are there? How many groups are there? How many digits that we started to learn? 4. Very good. So there are, what are they? What are they? Units. Starts from ones, tens, good. Hundreds, thousands. Isn't it? There are 4 groups. Yes. So that rearrange without regrouping. So without regrouping, with regrouping, the based on the grouping only that we used to learn. Isn't it? So without regrouping, what does it mean? Suppose if they give 2 numbers, if they give 2 numbers in 4 digits, suppose we used to place from right to left, isn't it? From least place value. So that means units place to thousands place. So while add, suppose if we are taking the ones place, there are 2 digits, 2 and 3. So what is the sum of that 2 and 3? 5, isn't it? So if you add these 2 numbers, the answers will follow. The answers will fall underneath that same column. So that is that without regrouping. The sum of that given number, that should not greater than 9. So there is no any carry over. That is the concept of without regrouping. So with, yes, no carry over. Very good. Well, come to the with regrouping. With regrouping means definitely we have to do some arrangement. Rechange their group. Isn't it? Rechange that particular the representative group that we used to make them to be exact group. That means carry over will take place. So the sum of 2 digits definitely very good, greater than 9. So that only the concept of with regrouping. So there is rearrange their respective groups. Isn't it? Okay. What are the 3 tables that we learned in with regrouping? Do you remember that? Shall I ask you? You have to give your answers in your chat box. 10 tens equals to how many? Listen, children. 10 ones. Sorry, 10 ones equals to how many tens? Very good, Udisha. 110. 10 ones equals to 110. 10 tens equals to how many hundreds? 10 tens equals to how many hundreds? Very good. 100. 100. Similarly, 10 hundreds. 10 hundreds equals to how many thousands? How many thousands? 1000. So definitely you have to come to know that one. That is a mandate. You have to remember that. So that is easy for you to rearrange your regrouping. Yes, children? So 10 ones equals to 110. 10 tens equals to 100. 10 hundreds equals to 1000. Yes. So you have to remember. If you know this kind of concept.
Ma'am, display is not coming, ma'am.
Yes, ma, definitely I will show that in our board. Okay, now let's begin our statement sum. Okay, children, what are the 5 steps that we have to follow our statement sum? So what are the 5 steps in the same? If I give a statement on board, Listen, children, please mute yourself. If you get that concept well, it's easy for you to do our practice, like to do your word problem. First, you have to read the statement which are given there. More than twice. Sabarish Kumar, please mute yourself, Kanna. Read well. Yes. The second one, why we have to read? Identify what type of sum is that. That's the reason you have to read that given statement more than twice. If you come to one conclusion, so what type of sum is that? So definitely you have to encircle the given numbers. So they used to give 2 or 3 numbers, isn't it? So you have to encircle the numbers alone. The third one, find the keywords. What are the keywords I've given in that? So what are the
Ma'am,
keywords?
maths class, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Today maths class, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Max only. Get ready with your rough note. Okay, what are the keywords,
Yes,
ma'am?
ma'am.
What are the keywords? In addition, in all, total, how many, sum, altogether, is, plus, yeah. These are the keywords. So these are the keywords helps us to find out what sort of sum is that. So if you find, so this is the addition. So you know the method how that we have to follow. If it is an addition, definitely what we have to do? Cut together, combine together. We'll find the total by using the plus sign, isn't it? Then finally, we have to present our solution. What is the answer for that one? Then you can do your presentation there. So this is the method we have to follow. So how many steps that we have to follow in addition in the sense? How many steps? 5. So always it has to be starts with statement, number, NO in the sense that represents in mathematics number of NO, as well as you have to place dot after NO. That is that represents in mathematics number of. End with total. So while begin the statement, these are the things you have to note it down. Finally, at last, while giving a presentation of your sum, the end of your sum, end with answer. Answer in the sense, total how much you got, then what is the subject related to that given statement. Both dash will be there. In that both dash, you have to fulfill. What you have to fulfill? Numbers as well as what is the subject related to that statement. Okay, shall we move now? Get ready with your notebook, rough note. Yes, children, start with your.
Jai Gurudev. Happy morning, children. Today we are going to see a word
Happy morning,
problem.
ma'am.
Welcome back to our math session. Today we are going to see a word problem. You already learned in our previous session, isn't it? Yes. What is mean by word problem? Ma'am already told you, no? Yeah. Word problem means a question with a statement as well as an answer with the statement. Right, children? Let's now practice some more problems here. Now I'm going to call out one name. Loshna. Loshna from third C.
Yoshna. Yoshna.
Yoshna from third C. Unmute yourself, Kana. Yoshna. Loshini. Loshini, come on, my dear. Unmute yourself.
Hello, Mother.
Ma'am, me. Okay, Udisha. Udisha,
Yes,
unmute yourself, Kanna.
yes,
Udisha.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning,
Udisha.
ma'am.
Okay. Look at the board here. Who is there? Udisha or Ilamaran?
Udisha, ma'am.
Okay, Udisha. Can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Look at the board.
Yes.
So read the question, dear. Read the question.
A good train was carrying 2,407 sacks of wheat and 3,441 sacks of rice. How many sacks was the train carrying altogether?
All together. Very good, Kanna. Mute your mic.
Tradition.
Okay. It's visible only. Kindly check your network, Kanna. Okay, mute yourself, dear. Udisha, mute yourself. Okay, children, listen now. In this word problem, we have learned so many steps there. Okay, we have to follow some steps here. So we start from there. What is the first step? Text me now. What is the first step? We have to read the question carefully, isn't it? What is the first one? We have to read the question carefully till you understand. Okay, children? More than twice. Okay. So, listen. A goods train was carrying 2,407 sacks of wheat and 3,441 sacks of rice. How many sacks was the train carrying all together? This is the first step. We have to read the question. Okay, children? And second one. What we have to do? So, second one, we have to circle what are the information given there. Information as well as subjects. So listen, what are the information given here? Text me now, what are the information? 2,407 sacks of wheat and 3,441 sacks of rice. Okay, children? And then, what is the subject? We have to focus the subject now. What is the subject here? See, sacks of wheat and sacks of rice. In these two sentences, we have one common word. What is that? Tell me now, what is that common subject here? Sacks. Isn't it? Got it now? Yeah. So we have two add-ons here and one more. The sacks was the subject. And now we are going to find out the keyword. What is the keyword given in the statement here? Text me. What is the keyword here? Answers, please. Yeah, very good. All together. This is the keyword. For what? Addition. So in addition, we learned many keywords. What are that? All together, put together, add, sum, total. So then only we have to find out either this is addition or subtraction, whatever in the four operations. Okay, dears? Okay. Now we are coming to the solution. Now we have to solve the statement sum. So before that, we have to draw a grid now. So already you know very well how to draw a grid.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking, ma'am.
Okay, Kanna. Okay, listen. Mute yourself, dear. Okay, listen now. How many we have here. How many add-ins? 1 and 2. Okay. So in grid, we have to draw a
Ma'am, your voice is breaking,
columns
ma'am.
and rows. Okay, children. So the first row, we have to write the place values. And second row, we have to leave for the with regrouping. Okay. So next one, next row for the add and 1 and then add and 2, and finally we have to write the answer there. So now we are going to draw the row. How many digits are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have to draw 4 columns. Okay, children? 1 minute. So first we are going to fill the grid. See, first row. The first row for what? We have to write the place values. Ones, tens, as well as hundreds and thousand. Okay, leave the second row for the with regrouping. Either it is come or not. Okay, and then third row for add and 1 and add and 2, and finally for total. Now we are going to write the sentence here. Write the statement. Listen the question first. So in this question, we have to differentiate 2 types. One is the number of objects and another one is the cost of objects. So while count of object, we have used number of. Cost of object, we have to use price of, cost of, like this. Okay, dears. Here we have count of objects, isn't it? Yes. 2,407 sacks of wheat. This is the count of objects. So here we have to use the word number of. So ma'am already told you, no? Number, instead of NUMBR number, we have to place NO dot. See, already you learnt in grammar sentence, the sentence begin with a capital letter. So uppercase N. Number, we have to place the dot here. Number of, what is the first statement here? Tell me now. Number of, text me. Wheat sacks. Are you clear now? Now you have to make the second sentence. Tell me what is the second sentence? Text me, dears. It is easy to write. The same thing. Number of, instead of wheat, we have to write rice sacks. Clear now? So now we are going to write the numbers here. Number of wheat sacks. How many number of wheat sacks is there? 2,407. Yes, children. And second one, number of rice sacks. How many, dears? 3,441. Am I right? And finally, we have to write the sentence. So this is the addition. We have to use the word total. Total number of sacks. That's it. Clear, children? Now, as usual, we have to add this number. So you put the plus symbol here because this is addition, no? So we are start from right to left, ones place to thousand place. Listen, in ones place, we have 2 add-ins, 7 plus 1. Okay, dears? 7 in the mind, 1 in the finger, 7 after 1, 8. Clear now? And then we are going to the tens place, 0 plus 4. Listen, Here we are using the zero property. What is the zero property? Whatever we added with 0, we are getting the same number. 0 plus 4, 4. 0 plus 5, 5. 0 plus x, x. Okay, children? And next we are moving to the 100 place. In 100 place, we have two addends. 4 plus 4. What is the answer? 4 in the mind, 4 in the finger. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. And we are coming to the last one, 1000 place. 2 plus 3. 2 in the mind, 3 in the finger. So the answer will be 5. So what is the answer here? Total number of sacks is equal to 5,848. Are you clear, children? Finally, we have to write answer with 2 dash. Already ma'am told you know what we have to fill in the first dash? The answer. How many there? 5,848. Here we have to fill the subject. What is the subject here? I already told you know. Sacks. Clear? Instead of the sacks, they are giving any fruits or vegetables. For example, apples, bananas. You have to mention their fruits. Only apples, we have to mention apples. Okay, children? Got it now? Any doubts in this sum? Text me, dears. Do you have any doubts in the problem 1?
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Okay. Children. Now we are going to the next one. Now you can say this is the with regrouping or without regrouping. Give me the answer, Kanna. Now we solved the first problem, no? This is with regrouping or without regrouping. Very good. Without regrouping. Now we are going to the second sum. Who will ready to read? Text your name. Who will ready to read the second problem? Harsh. Oh. Okay, dear. Place your address. Unmute yourself. Wait, ma. Wait. Few minutes. Wait. Adrit, unmute your mic. Can you able to see the board? Adrit, look at the board, Kana.
Ma'am, actually it's not clear, ma'am. Actually
It's not clear. Just a minute, ma'am. Just a minute.
Remove the screen.
Now is it okay?
Yes.
Adrit,
Just a second. Ma'am.
yeah, you will read, Kana. Sanju, Adrit, it's visible, Kana.
Ma'am, it's not clear. Ma'am.
Okay, listen. I'm going to read now. Okay, all of you mute yourself. Children, all should mute yourself, Kana.
Who's ready to read now? Ilamaran, are you ready? Ilamaran, Aparna, are you ready?
Sanju sold 3,860.
Yes.
2,343 1,847 pills
On.
not Wednesday.
Okay, Kana. On.
Wednesday. Respectively, how many apples did he sell in all?
Very good, Kana. Mute yourself. She read well. Okay, children. Now we are going to apply our steps here. What is the first step? We have to read the question carefully. Okay, children. More than twice. And second step, we are going to circle the information given. So what are the information given here? See, 3,860, 2,343, and one more thing, 1,847. See, in this statement sum, we have three addends. Okay, children? Okay. Then what is the subject here? Text me now. Mute yourself, Mirnalini. Apples. Very good, Udisha. Apples. Apples are the subject here. Then we are moving to the what? Tell me now. Okay, apple, right? What we have to do the next step? Find the keyword. Then only we have to decide how to solve the problem. Find the keyword here. What is the keyword? All. Very good, Hashini. All. This is the keyword for what? Addition. Am I correct, children? So this also addition sum. Okay, now we are going to solve the problem. Write solution. So make a grid as well as you already know. Here we having three addends. So your grid have one more row. The first row for place value and second row for with regrouping. Either it is coming or not. Okay, children. Then addend 1, addend 2, addend 3, and finally for answer. So here, how many digits are given here? Tell me now how many digits are given here. Text me. Make it fast. 4 digits. Very good, Hashini. So we have to draw 4 columns here. As usual, we have to fill the grid. Start from place value. Coming right to left. Ones, tens, hundred, as well as 1,000. Okay, children, got it now? Now we are going to the sentence. See, here also we having a counting of apples. Okay, so we have to select number of. As usual, the rule, the first letter of the sentence should be capital. NO, we have to place the dot here. Number of apples sold on Monday. Number of apples sold on, just a minute. 1 second, children. It is correct only. So we have to number of apples, text me, sold on Monday. This is the first sentence. What is the next one? Text your answers. How many number of apples sold on Monday? How many apples? 3,860. Very good. Okay, tell me now, what is the second sentence? Text me now. As well as number of apples is very easy to understand. Number of apples. Type and text me. Number of apples sold on Tuesday. Okay, children? How many apples? 2,343. And what is the next statement here? Same. Number of apples sold on Wednesday. Are you clear? Text me. Are you clear, dears? Okay. How many apples sold on Wednesday, dears? 1847. So we have to add this. So put the plus symbol there. So finally, we have to make a sentence here. Total number of apples. Now we are going to add this. Total number of apples sold. Okay, children? Okay. Now we are going to add this number as usual. Listen. 0 plus 3. What is the answer? We have to use the 0 property. 0 plus 3, 3. 3 plus 7. 3 in the mind. 7 in the finger. So what is the answer? 10. Very good, children. 10. This is with regrouping, isn't it? Yes. So in tens, we have to put the 0 in ones place. We have only 1 tens here. Yes? Yes. It's carry over. Now we have to add this number. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 4, 15. Isn't it? So, in 15, you have to place the 5 in the tens place value and ones in the hundreds. We have to carry over. 15 tens. How much? 15 tens? 150, right? Okay, children. Now we have to add hundreds place. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 8, 20. So 0 is here. We have to carry over the 2 on 1000 place. So now we have to add. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. Okay, children. What is the answer here? How many apples sold on the 3 days? 8050. Okay, children. So finally, we have to write answer with 2 dash. The first one for the answer. How many? Okay. So 8050. And second one for the subject. What is the subject here? Text me now. What is the subject here? Subject. What is the subject here, dear? Apples. Very good, Adrit. We have to write apples. Suppose instead of apple, they are giving the different types of fruits. Apples, bananas. Okay, so we have to write the subject fruits. Got it, children? Okay, very good. This is your turn. Get ready with your rough note.
Dear children, okay, children, now we are going to do in your rough note. Now I'm going to dictate orally. The same statement sum only I'm going to dictate orally. Now you are going to find the solution by giving the statement in your rough note. Finally, ma'am will check in your way at last. So get ready with your rough note. Listen. Listen now. There are. You have to find only what are the subject that you are getting, what are the numbers. So you have to note it down. There are 1,321 men and 2,423 women. There are 1,300 21 men and 2,423 women live in a village. How many people
Ma'am,
live in all? How many people live in all? Now you are going to find the solution for that. Please try to write the statement for that. How will you begin that one? Well, find the solution. How will you start? So please try to note it down in your notebook. How will you begin that?
ma'am, repeat again.
Number of the first one, well, find the solution. Number of men in a village. Draw the grid, children. First place, leave for your place value. Second place, you have to leave for the carry over. If it is there or not, you have to leave. So while come to the third row. During the third row only, you have to begin your first statement. Number of men in a village. So that is towards your third row. Equals to, what is the number, total number of that men there? 1,321. Please try to fill in your way. Third row. Are you writing, children? So this is your listening skill. Are you doing or not? Please place your answers in a chat box. Are you doing? Yes, very good. The second statement. Welcome to the second statement towards your fourth row. So how will you begin the second statement? Number of women. Number of women in a village. Towards your fourth row. There you have to fill that given number. What is the total number of women there? 2,423. Now find the total. Total number of people live in all. So what is the final answer? Please, children. So I would like to see your answer now. Please unmute your video. Show your rough note where you did your work.
Ma'am, repeat
Please,
one.
everyone,
Question one.
unmute your video. Very good. Please, I need your answers in your notebook. I would like to check your notebook. Please unmute your video and share yours. Please, this is your listening skill. If you listen well, definitely easy to observe. Those who did well, Vidyut. Closer, Kana. Vidyut. So what is the final answer? What is the total number of people living in all? Yes, children? Ashwan?
Ma'am,
Vishnu Priya?
3,744.
What is the last one? Ma'am? So answer will be 3,744. As well as filled with people. Very good, Shandika. Very good. Vishnu Priya. Good. Okay, where is Anmati, Hasini?
Very good, Sanjana.
Very good, children. Very good. Always you have to end with the final answer. So definitely, if you feel with that, you will get the full mark. The answer used to carry the marks. So your presentation should end with answer only. Very good.
Very good, Raghavarshini.
Good.
Ma'am,
Adrit,
Baba
good.
Dharani.
Adrit, can you come closer? I can't see yours. Adrit, can you come closer? Udisha.
Very good, Netha Sri.
Very good. Answer should be there. Very good. You did there.
Ma'am, my
So definitely